Hello everyone, this is Jag. In this video, I'm going to cover 12 vegetables that you can harvest within 30 days. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 1, sprouts. Sprouts are super easy to grow. I don't know why too many people don't grow sprouts. You can grow mung bean sprouts, lentil sprouts, broccoli sprouts, or all kinds of different sprouts. And sprouts only take 3 to 5 days to harvest. You can grow sprouts in mason jars, cheesecloth, or even a plastic bottle. I like to grow my sprouts in mason jars. I made a separate video on top 5 sprouts you must grow. So check that video out if you're interested. I'll leave a link to the video in the description. Number 2, microgreens. Now microgreens are also very easy to grow. You can grow microgreens in coconut coir or any growing medium of your choice. The top microgreens I like to grow are sunflower microgreens, pea shoot microgreens, and broccoli microgreens. I also made a video on top 5 microgreens you must grow. So check that video out for more information as well. Microgreens are packed with nutrients and it only takes about 5 to 10 days to harvest microgreens. Number 3, lettuce. Lettuce is super easy to grow as well. While lettuce takes 70 to 80 days to maturity to harvest, you can start harvesting lettuce leaves as soon as lettuce develops 3 to 4 sets of leaves. And that happens just 3 to 4 weeks into growing lettuce. So sow some lettuce seeds and in just 3 weeks you can start harvesting lettuce leaves as lettuce continues to grow. Number 4, spinach. And just like lettuce, you can start harvesting spinach leaves just 3 to 4 weeks into growing spinach. Spinach takes anywhere from 60 to 80 days to maturity for harvest. However, you can continue to harvest spinach leaves as spinach continues to grow. Number 5, radish. Now radishes are super easy to grow. You can grow either the red American radish or white icicle radish. I really love the taste and spiciness of radishes as well, and I can consume radishes just raw and I munch on them like crazy. Radishes only take 30 days or just 1 month to maturity for harvest. Number 6, beet leaves. Beets takes about 90 days or 3 months to grow. However, beet leaves are edible, so you can start harvesting beet leaves as beets continue to grow. Beet leaves are super tender and very flavorful. You can add them to your salad or you can saute them as well. Number 7, turnip leaves. Just like beet leaves, turnip leaves are edible as well. Turnips take about 2 months to grow. However, you can start harvesting turnip leaves as turnips are growing. It is best to saute the turnip leaves and add them to your roasted vegetables. Number 8, mustard. Just like lettuce and spinach, mustard leaves can be harvested as mustard is growing. Mustard takes about 2 to 3 months to grow to maturity. However, continue to harvest mustard leaves as mustard is growing, and you can always make traditional Indian saag with mustard leaves as well. Number 9, arugula. Arugula is super easy to grow and it grows without any effort. You can start harvesting arugula leaves as soon as you start seeing leaves on the plants. The last 3 vegetables are very creative. You can buy these vegetables from a grocery store and you can keep regrowing these vegetables just on your kitchen counter or even indoors. Number 10, onions. You can buy green onions from a grocery store, cut the bottom part of the green onion, keeping at least half an inch of green onion at the bottom, and plant the green onions in the pots of your choice. After just a couple of weeks, green onions will start to send up shoots, which you can then harvest. Green onions are super easy to grow from store-bought green onions. Number 11, leeks. You can also buy leeks from grocery store and then cut the bottom part of the leeks, leaving at least half an inch, and regrow leeks as well. Leeks will start to output new leaves which you can keep harvesting. Number 12, celery. You can also regrow celery from store-bought celery as well. It's super easy to do. Just cut the bottom part of celery just like onions and leeks and plant the bottom part of celery in pots of your choice. As celery continues to grow, keep harvesting celery stalks as well. I made a separate video on 14 store-bought vegetables you can regrow. I will leave a link to that video in the description as well. I want to make a quick video on vegetables that you can harvest within 30 days. I really hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you in another video.